Hello. Today, I'm going to use a dating profile as a teaching tool. I'm going to use this teaching tool as an example of how you can put your best foot forward or what not to do. We're going to take this bio and see where this person could have improved and maybe have a teaching lesson how the rest of us can improve our bios, how we show ourselves. So stay tuned. Let's look at this bio. This is Tony. I'll show a bigger picture of Tony in a moment, but let's just read his bio here. Tony, and he's 56. This is what he says about himself. I'm a Scorpio. I'm laid back, looking for that friend that turns into love and loyalty. No disrespect, but when female calls herself a alpha male, that a turn off. Don't get me wrong, a strong black female is what I'm used to. They taught me how to be a gentleman, how to cook. My grandma was probably the strongest black woman I know. She was one of the first black women in St. Louis to have her own lounge. So believe when I say I grew up around strong black women to people together to make it work. So that was Tony. Tony is a Scorpio and he's laid back, looking for a friend that turns into love and loyalty. Okay, so one of the big things that I see right here is that Tony does not believe in punctuation. Punctuation is very important because it allows people to stop the sentence and helps the sentence make sense as opposed to being a word salad. Word salads don't convey who you are as much as you would imagine. Now, when he says, I grew up around strong black women to people. What is a people? I'm not sure, but this is where spelling is important. The commas and periods are important here, but what is a people together? I'm not exactly sure. So when you are trying to describe yourself and have a bio and you're looking for you're looking for a friend that turns into love and loyalty, you may want to have something that actually makes sense, that shows who you are outside of someone who doesn't understand how to use proper grammar, punctuation, spelling, and that sort of thing. Now, also what we can take from here is how to take a better photo for your profile. This is Tony, and I'm sure that Tony is a fairly nice dude, but taking a photo, highlighting who you are, showcasing your personality, not just having an open mouth is important. It showcases who you are. So let's take a bit of time in order to maybe have someone read your bio for you. Have someone pull out their virtual red pen and help. You guys jump in the comments. Tell me what you see.